Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Reeti and I'm back with another lecture in the SQL series. So in this particular lecture, we would be learning about views in SQL. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is views in SQL? A view is a virtual table in SQL. So consider that there is an employee table. Now this employee table is having details such as employee ID, employee password, employee name, employee address. Now there are some people of the company who is making ID card for each and every employee. So should we give the access to that particular people to access this employee table? Because this is also having employee password. So this is a data breach, right? So we can't provide the access for this employee table to the people who are creating the ID card. So in this case, what we do is we give a view of this particular table. So in this view, we provide ID and name along with address, which is needed to create the ID card. But password is something which is not needed to create the ID card, and also it is a secure data. So we can't provide access or authorization for this particular table. What we do is we create a view and the people who are creating ID card can now use this particular table. It is a virtual table, so can use this particular table to fetch the information and create the ID card. So it helps in providing a filtered view of data for security purpose. So let's see how we can create a view. So we give this create and then we give view, then we provide the view name and then we provide an alias, and here we provide all the columns from the base table which we want to show in the view. So it basically specifies the columns which should be included in the view. So it helps in data abstraction, security and simplifying the complex queries. So if we are having a view table, if we don't need some of the columns, so we can just have a view table and we can do any kind of manipulation on that particular view table. It is also helping in data abstraction because it is hiding the password from the ID people, and it is also helping in the security purpose. So since view is just like a virtual table, so all the things which we perform on table can be performed on views. So to see all the data in the view, we give select star from view name, and to delete the view we give drop view, and then we check that if this exists or not, and then we provide the view name. So all the things which we are performing on a table we can perform on the views also. So let's see from the MySQL workbench that how we can create a view and how it can be used. So let's just create a view. So we'll create view and we'll give the name as employee view, and then we'll provide an alias. So we'll provide as, and then we'll give the details which we want to show in the view table. So first is ID, second is name, and third is city, and then we'll give from, and then we'll give the table name, that is employee. So here you can see we are getting a success. Now the view is created. Now on this employee view we can perform any operation. So consider that I want to see the details of employee ID. So I'll use this employee view table. So I'll give select ID and then I'll use from, and then I'll use this table name, that is employee view. So let me just execute this query. So here you can see that I'm getting the ID details. So view has basically reduced the size of my table, and also it has only the valid details which is needed for the ID card department to create that ID card. So this was all about views in this particular video. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel, can go ahead and watch out the tech content first. And if you find it useful, can go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you have not followed me on my social media handles, you can go ahead and follow. The links are in the description. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling. Bye all.